cold this morning. No problem, let's make chicken rice soup Pinoy version, aka Lugaw. Very easy. I just saute onion, garlic, chicken, and ginger and rice and put some soup with chicken powder or chicken cubes. Add some salt and pepper to taste, or if you have fish sauce, that is much better. So check this out, guys. You want to be a soup be more thicker, no glutinous rice, no problem. All you need is just flour, dilute in water, add some. Chicken rice soup is ready. And of course, my favorite topping, chili garlic. Very easy, you can make your own version, guys. Let's eat!